Red, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a collaboration with AF Sister. AF Sister sent me over this wig, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I got this hair to look like this. I also did like a little hairstyle because I was like, let me give you guys a little bit of Valentine's inspiration. I mean, we all want to look cute, okay? Even if it's not Valentine's, even if it's date night or something, we want to look cute. So I always do you know, like curly hairstyle. So I was like, let me try to like make this look a little bit more pretty. So I did do a hairstyle in this video as well, but then I took it out because, you know me, I like to do a little flip over action. So that's what I'm going for today. So this is their new wig cap design. It's called a fitted cap. So basically it has no ripples at the front. If you watch my channel, I do a lot of hair videos and stuff, so if you guys notice some of the wigs, it does not lay as flat as this one is laying, and you will see in the next clip what I mean. So I did show you like straight out the packaging and everything like that before I cut the lace, because you will have to cut the lace off of this wig, and the wig lays so flat because of this design. And it also has a new air tab type of thing right here, so it has like a little bendy type of thing right here that helps the air tabs to stay down. So even if you're not gluing the wig down, the air tabs will not move, it will stay in place. So I'm going to be showing you guys the whole details of the inside of the wig and everything like that, because this is a really cool wig design and I feel like we will not have no more lifting. So let's get right into this video so I can show you the unboxing and exactly what the wig looks like on the inside, because this is so freaking cool. Like, and it's HD lace, everything just looks really, really natural and nice. And I'm going to show you how I got the fluffy baby hairs and all that. So let's get right into this video. Okay guys, so I always start off by brushing my hair back. So I'm using my Care wax stick to make sure my hair is laying flat. And this is the box that the wig always comes in. So I'm just opening it up and I want to show you guys the lace. So this is a regular lace. This is how it looks. You can see it has that little extra space at the front. It doesn't lay too flat unless you put your bands in and all this extra stuff. And yeah, this is how it's looking. So I'm just showing you a little comparison. And I was actually wearing it inside out, so I did take it off and put it on right. And this is the new cap design. This is called a fitted cap design. So it has no more ripples around the hairline, like no more extra space and all this kind of things, which is going to make it lay more flat on your forehead. So you don't even have to glue it down and it's going to lay flat. So I wanted to show you guys those two comparisons. And now I'm going to open up the box to show you exactly what comes in here. It just comes with combs, wig cap, bobby pins, and a clip. And this is the actual wig with the hair and everything on it. It comes with 4 combs, a big one in the back, and a band. And then it has this new thing on the ears, like a bendable air tab, which is so cool because now your air tabs will not lift up. The sideburns will stay down without glue. And I was also showing you guys the back of the wig because it has this nice material that seems comfortable. I'm putting my 2-sided foundation in the color 15 in the lace so I can put this wig on and get ready for install. And the wig looks so good without the lace even being cut, so I'm going to clip the hair out of the way. And you can see how it's flat already, and I didn't even cut it yet. So now I'm going to go ahead and cut off the lace. This is pretty self-explanatory. We always do this. I'm using a razor to do so the lines can be jagged, and then I'm cutting around the ears. Now I'm showing you a demonstration of the bendy air tabs. I just bend it down and it just stays. Even the hairline, everything is flat. You really don't have to glue this wig. Oh, and I didn't tell you guys, this is a Swiss lace wig. It's giving me HD lace vibes. I'm just going in with my Ebon lace spray. You guys already seen the name. And now I'm just going around the hairline and putting a little bit there. This is really like, you don't even have to do this. Like, this is unnecessary because the wig itself is like pretty much laid already being glueless. So once it's fully dried, well, dried to the touch, I go ahead and I tie it down, and then I'm just sectioning the hair. I'm going to do my moisture routine. I do this with every deep wave and curly texture. I'm just adding in some leave-in conditioner this time, and it's water in the spray bottle. Going in with my Nairobi foam, and then I'm just putting that through the hair. I'm going to brush it out and do this to my whole head. And then we're scrunching. And then once I finish, I'm scrunching the hair, and then I'm going to go in with my diffuser. I am doing high heat. I'm doing high pressure, low heat as well. So back and forth between high and low. Going back in with my foundation, and then I'm going to tie my hair down loosely because I was doing my makeup. I'm going in with that. I forgot what it was called. Oh my gosh. I'm going to go back and slow the video down a bit. I'm taking out the edges area, and you can see my cap there because the lace is so seamless. So I did go ahead and pull my cap back because that was looking a little bit crazy. So I'm hot combing forward. Take your time and kind of, tilt the hot comb so you don't burn yourself. And if you're not confident with curling this close to your forehead, you could use the rat tail of a comb and lay it on your forehead. So if the thing touches, it's going to touch the comb and not your skin. Going in with my Got2b, just spray a little bit on the brush side of the edge brush. And I'm using the comb to swoop first and then the brush to mold. So you can see I'm using my finger. My finger is helping me to stick the hair down. So that's my little tip. And just take your time. This literally takes some time, so you're not gonna get it like you can see it's looking a little bit crazy right now, but in the end it's gonna look good because I was going back and forth fixing it and perfecting it. So yeah, just take your time with this. If you have to pluck a little bit more out, do so, and try to pluck more from the bottom than the top. I learned this from Chung Effect on TikTok because I'll be watching her videos. And then you can see right here, it had too much hair, so I ended up going back in and cutting out a little bit. Alright, and then once I'm done, I am styling the hair. So I already took out these little pieces because I want to curl them. And then I'm just hot combing the hair back. You could put some mousse on top there and kind of smooth it back like that. Hot combing it was very unnecessary, and I'm just using this big satin scrunchie, and I am going to pull it through halfway so I can have these little pieces out. And now I'm going in with my pencil curling iron, and I'm just curling the hair around this. This is a cute hairstyle. You could do this for your birthday. You could do it for Valentine's Day, any events that you have coming up. And then I just wanted to do my flip over style. So I'm just going around the hair and adding back in some more curls just to give it a little bit more definition. This is unnecessary because if I had left it when I diffused it, it would have been perfectly fine. But I'm just going in and adding some more curls because I don't want to wet the wig anymore. So this is the end of the video. This is how the wig looks. Super, super pretty. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit. I just want to make sure that you guys are seeing, like, look how seamless this looks. It looks so freaking good, so natural. This is the end of the video. If you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to leave me a thumbs up, leave me a comment down below. I will have AF Sister links in my description box below. If you guys like this wig, if this wig is really cool, I mean, I absolutely love this new like air tab thing because it just makes the air tabs feel more secured. Even if you don't feel like spraying it down or using glue, this is a really good wig for like the glueless method. And yeah, I mean, you guys seen it before. I even sprayed down the edges, the edge line, and it was looking melted already. So yeah, thank you guys so much for checking out my channel, and I will definitely see you in my next one. Bye.
Rad, but he spank me when I get bad. I'm in LA, Rodeo Drive. I'm in New York, Madison Ave. I'm a Barbie girl, pink Barbie.